Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast. You're still here for a reason. The moment you try to end your life, or you contemplate it, is the day the pain will be a multitude greater, because deep down you know you're supposed to be alive until the day God calls you home. As long as you have breath, you're supposed to be alive. Danny G. An old man made a comment a long time ago when I was a young teenager, around 12 or 13. And it stayed with me until this very day. A statement that sounds so simplistic, yet people consistently fight against it. He said, "There's one obligation in life that everyone will have to face at one point or another. Everything else is a choice, but this one unavoidable experience that we must all face is death. Everyone on this planet at the present time will leave this time-space reality at one point. If we accept this reality that physical death is inevitable, then why do we try to end our life before our time? We're fighting against the only obligation in our life that is inevitable. The moment you decide that you want to end your life, you will know deep inside your gut that you're making a big mistake. You know in your heart, as long as you have breath, you're supposed to be alive. Denying your existence would be going against the laws of nature, because you know God still wants you here, and He needs you. Why are you trying to end your time before your mission is complete? We all need growth on an individual perspective and on a global scale. And sometimes the reasons we want our escape are the reasons meant to catapult us to our divine destiny. You have joyful experiences ahead, and you have something to give that will all make sense one day. You will say, "I'm glad I didn't give up, and I know why I went through that experience, since I became a better person and helped others along the way." You may say, "It's too difficult," or "I feel this emptiness that will not leave." Consider, if you were supposed to die, it would have happened already. But you're still here because you and God chose for you to be here. These challenges are meant for your own expansion and for all the lives you touch. Simply by being you and being the best version of yourself means you have purpose, and it means you have something to give that no one else can, because there's no exact replica of you. You're trying to end a journey that still needs unfolding, and you'll feel an uneasiness that will be greater than the statement, "I can't take it anymore." Because deep down you know you're supposed to be alive, and you know you're supposed to be alive until the day God calls you home. The right time to call your exit on this physical plane will be when you're old and wrinkly, and you will have lived a joyous, fulfilling life. Then you'll say, "It's my time, and I've completed my mission, and I shall go in peace." Until then, you have a life to live and joyous experiences along the way. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. Brings me a lot of perspective. I really like this one. Thank you so much for listening and for coming back to listen to these. Thank you so much, everybody. And until next time, have a beautiful week. And with all the love in the world, have a beautiful day.